Good morning, everyone. Today is 13th October, and I'm Shuchi Rungta presenting the morning market update. The Nifty gained 140 points yesterday to close at 17,123, forming an inside candle. Slight pullback was seen across sectors and the broader market, but we must note that the broader trend of the market is still down. FIIs were sellers of 542 crores in the cash market yesterday, and the option chain suggests good OI increase at the 17,000 put strike. India VIX continues above 20. A quick relook on the macros as we have some important macroeconomic data releases yesterday and today. India September CPI data was released, which was at 7.41% on a year on year basis. This is higher than the consensus estimate of 7.3% and the August CPI of 7% year on year. The manufacturing output was also released, which was 0.7% negative month on month in August compared to 3.2% rise in July month on month. Both the data will have a negative impact on our Indian equities. We also have the inflation data released today in the US, which releases at 6 p.m. as per Indian time. So, all eyes will be on it. Any surprises will have a gap up, gap down movement in India. The bond yields both in US and UK are in the upward trajectory. The dollar index is trading strong above 113, and the US indices had muted price action yesterday ahead of this inflation data. To conclude, we must note that the Nifty has been recording lower highs for 5 consecutive trading sessions. Any rejections to this and closing above the previous high only will be the first sign of the bull strength. Till then, we can use these pullbacks to sell weak stocks. Levels for the day: Nifty support will be seen at 16,950 and 16,750. Resistance 17,150 and 17,265. Bank Nifty support will be seen at 38,500 and 38,200. Resistance 39,260 and 39,560. Thank you.